Gadain, tá Laoch na hImeartha and so Daithí Burke ling, Daithí hImeartha, the team is celebrating. It's a 2-in-a-row team. It's a moment in time for this Corofin side. How good is this?
It's a special moment, really, with a special team. Just so happy to be delighted, or to be part of this team. And words can't describe what it feels like now. Just delighted to get the win. They're a great bunch of lads. And it's a pleasure to be part of the team, to be honest.
This final brought together the winners of the last 2 campaigns. It was always going to be a massive day to defeat the 27 champions in the comprehensive way that you did. How great a performance was this?
It was unreal. We have great respect for the team, for the Croaks, and we're just delighted to get over the line, to be honest. As you can see, the lads are buzzing, so can't wait for tonight, to be honest.
I'd say that. This is the 3rd win in 5 years, and it looks like it's as good as every other one.
We just take it every year as it comes, to be part of 2 in a row now is just unreal, and just the words can't describe. It's unreal, to be honest.
Cóthárdagus leat sé Daithí Burke, Laoch na hImeartha and Sutra Nona, Harcan AIB, Mark Doyle of Ruthergradam, Laoch na hImeartha